Hi, my name is BREGJE and you are watching Estona tutorials. And if you are watching this video, you are not currently on my subscriber feed, so you can watch a part of this video, but if you want to get the full experience, then please hop on over to Patreon and you can find me at patreon.com/Estona_tutorials. I hope I'll see you there. And the trick is to fit your punch in the hole before you start, and when it fits perfectly, you can add your piece of silver in here. And with just a couple of taps of your hammer, you will transfer this shape to your piece of silver. And after working on your silver for some time, anneal in between. This will keep the metal soft. And you can keep working on it. Whew. And after annealing, you can get right back to it. You can see here that the cup is getting a bit too big for what I'm going to do with it, so let's sand this down a bit. Now, I could solder them together like this, but I want it to be a bit more rounded out, so I am going to anneal these two parts, and then we're just going to give it a couple of extra taps in the bezel punch block. And I don't know if I told you why I'm using a thinner material than normally. That is because I want to add this shape to it, and it's a lot harder if you have a very thick piece of silver. In there with the bezel punch. And back to sanding. I am gently going to heat this up. Meanwhile, I can explain to you what the hole is for. So maybe if you are very good in soldering and you can get this soldered in one go without having to touch it afterwards, then maybe you can get away with soldering it while it's closed. But again, if you do have to go in there a second time, there will be some moisture left from soldering. And heat will expand, so chances are that this will blow up and explode, so really be very, very, very careful. That is why I added a small air vent, so nothing can happen, and please do this if you are going to try to solder a hollow shape or if you are going to work on a hollow shape. I am going to clean this one up by putting it in some pickle solution. I'm just showing you this one for demonstration purposes, so I am not going to add a bill. If you would use this as a pendant or something, then I would advise you to clean up this edge and to add the bill at that point, but I am going to continue from here. And I know I might sound like a broken record, but these Eve silicone discs really are amazing. I can work so much faster with them. They do have them at Gaswine and at Herens & Herens. So if you are interested, check out some discount codes in the description below this video and head over to their websites. So this is the result for now. Of course, I do still have to clean it up a bit, but I'm going to do so when we are ready. I want to close this up completely just to show you how you can do it yourself. So if